Hello again. This is Dr. Connie Williams with Cohen Institute, and we are continuing to count the Omer for 2025. And today is the fourth day of the counting of the Omer. And specifically, we are dealing with the Sephirah Netzach Shebechesed. I'm going to pull up my whiteboard so that you all can see what is happening today. We are still in the week of Chesed, but today we're pairing, because each day is a pair, we are pairing Chesed, loving kindness, with Netzach, which simply means victory, primarily victory over fears, so that you can discover your passions. And so we pair these two today, all done in loving kindness, which is the primary Sephirah for this whole week. Next week, we will be going to Gevorah and pair every Sephirah on the tree of life with Gevorah. And so when we think about victory, how many areas in your life require an overcoming, something that needs to be handled? What are your fears? Consider them. Be honest with yourself. No one else has to know but you and God. And so as we think about our fears and our shortcomings, our areas where we have a hard time gaining the victory over, gaining some sort of control over, or simply just overcoming it totally, those areas can be overcome. And when we pair it with chesed, it is done in loving kindness. It's not condemnation. It is not judgment, but lovingly. Lovingly, our Father tells us, you can do it. Don't be afraid. You can do it. And once we eliminate these fears within ourselves, we can truly follow our passions. We may even discover some passions that we didn't know that we had. All right. And as always, we're going to look at the blessing. Oh, I've forgotten to change it to day 4. Let me change it to day 4. There we go. And it is not Tiferet. That was yesterday. Today we are dealing with Netzach. All right, so our blessing is ready. We always say the blessing in Hebrew and in English. And if you want to know why, go ahead and watch video number 1. And watch them all if this is your first video. It will be very helpful. All right, let's say the blessing together before we go to our daily meditation. Baruch atah Adonai, Eloheinu melech haolam, asher kiddushanu b'mitzvotav al sefirat ha-omer. Blessed are you, Lord our God, King of the universe, who has sanctified us with his commandments and commanded us concerning the counting of the Omer. Today is day 4 of the Omer, Netzach Shebe Chesed. Awesome. You have counted day 4. Let's go and check out our meditation on the Chabad app. And so the title for today is Detoured Good. Wonder what he got to say. Sometimes it happens that you set out to do something with the best of intentions, and you end up with what appears the opposite. Yeah, that might have happened once or twice in my life. Okay, so a lot of times. Know with absolute certainty, because this is a tradition of our sages, that if your true intent is good, then from it only good can emerge. Wow, that sounds a lot different than some of the things I've heard in the past. Sounds a lot better. Perhaps not the good you intended or care for, but good nevertheless. And God does look at our heart. And if we do things with good intent and not evil intent, negative intent, out to harm others, God will see to it that somehow that situation is going to work out. You all have a blessed night, and I'll see you again on tomorrow with the counting of the Omer, day 5. You all be blessed until then.